Question 1. Who has the right-of-way at an intersection without stop or yield signs? A. The vehicle that gets there last. B. The vehicle that arrives first. C. The fastest vehicle. D. Pedestrians only. Answer B. The vehicle that arrives first. Question 2. When turning left at an intersection, you must give the right-of-way to A. Only vehicles coming from the opposite direction. B. Only pedestrians crossing the street. C. Both vehicles and pedestrians. D. No one. Answer C. Both vehicles and pedestrians. Question 3. At a T intersection without stop or yield signs, who has the right-of-way? A. Vehicles on the through road. B. Vehicles turning left. C. Vehicles turning right. D. Pedestrians crossing any road. Answer A. Vehicles on the through road. Question 4. What does a single solid yellow line indicate? A. Pedestrian crossing. B. Center of a two-way road. C. Parking is allowed. D. Bicycle lane. Answer B. Center of a two-way road. Question 5. A double solid white line signifies A. You can change lanes. B. Lane barriers between different directions of traffic. C. Lane barriers between a regular use and a preferential use lane. D. End of the road. Answer C. Lane barriers between a regular use and a preferential use lane. Question 6. What do broken white lines on the road indicate? A. No passing zone. B. Separate lanes of traffic moving in the same direction. C. Separate lanes of traffic moving in opposite directions. D. Pedestrian crossing. Answer B. Separate lanes of traffic moving in the same direction. Question 7. What does a white curb signify? A. Loading zone for freight only. B. No stopping or parking. C. Parking for a limited time. D. Stop only to pick up or drop off passengers. Answer D. Stop only to pick up or drop off passengers. Question 8. A green curb means you can A. Park for a limited time. B. Stop to load or unload freight. C. Park indefinitely. D. Load and unload passengers only. Answer A. Park for a limited time. Question 9. Parking is prohibited at A. A. Green curb. B. Blue curb. C. Red curb. D. Yellow curb. Answer C. Red curb. Question 10. When entering traffic from a parking spot, you must A. Accelerate quickly to merge. B. Yield to pedestrians and incoming traffic. C. Use your horn to alert others. D. Flash your lights to signal your entry. Answer B. Yield to pedestrians and incoming traffic. Question 11. At a four-way stop, the right-of-way belongs to the driver. A. On the left. B. Who stops last. C. Who stops first. D. With the largest vehicle. Answer C. Who stops first. Question 12. In a roundabout, you must A. Yield to traffic in the roundabout. B. Stop before entering. C. Drive in clockwise direction. D. Accelerate to find a gap. Answer A. Yield to traffic in the roundabout. Question 13. Double solid yellow lines mean A. You may pass when safe. B. Parking is allowed. C. No passing. D. Pedestrian crossing ahead. Answer C. No passing. Question 14. A broken yellow line next to your driving lane means A. You may not pass. B. You may pass if safe. C. Road work ahead. D. Lanes are merging. Answer B. You may pass if safe. Question 15. Yield lines on the road are represented by A. Solid white lines. B. Series of triangles. C. Double yellow lines. D. Broken white lines. Answer B. Series of triangles. Question 16. Yellow curbs are designated for A. Emergency vehicles only. B. Short-term loading and unloading. C. Handicapped parking. D. Unlimited parking. Answer B. Short-term loading and unloading. Question 17. Blue curbs indicate parking is reserved for A. Police vehicles. B. Vehicles with a disabled placard or license plate. C. Electric vehicles. D. Short-term parking. Answer B. Vehicles with a disabled placard or license plate. Question 18. What action is required at a red curb? A. Yield before proceeding. B. No stopping, standing, or parking. C. Parking for a limited time. D. Loading zone. Answer B. No stopping, standing, or parking. Question 19. When two vehicles arrive at an intersection at the same time and one is turning left, which vehicle has the right of way? A. The vehicle turning left. B. The vehicle going straight. C. Both vehicles should proceed with caution. D. Neither vehicle has the right of way. Answer B. The vehicle going straight. Question 20. At intersections with pedestrian crosswalks but no traffic lights, drivers must A. Slow down and prepare to stop if pedestrians are present. B. Continue at the same speed and expect pedestrians to yield. C. Only stop for pedestrians if they are on the driver's half of the road. D. Honk to alert pedestrians of their approach. Answer A. Slow down and prepare to stop if pedestrians are present. Question 21. In situations where you are driving up a narrow mountain road and meet another vehicle, you have the right of way if A. You are driving uphill. B. You are driving downhill. C. You arrived first. D. Your vehicle is larger. Answer A. You are driving uphill. Question 22. The presence of a solid yellow line on your side of the road means A. You are on a one-way street. B. You may pass if no traffic is coming. C. You must not pass. D. Passing is recommended. Answer C. You must not pass. Question 23. What is the significance of a white diamond symbol painted on the road? A. Indicates a pedestrian crossing zone. B. Marks a vehicle lane reserved for high-occupancy vehicles, HOV. C. Signifies an upcoming stop sign. D. Designates a bike lane. Answer B. Marks a vehicle lane reserved for high-occupancy vehicles, HOV. Question 24. How should drivers interpret a dashed yellow line? A. Indicates a no passing zone. B. Suggests caution due to hazards. C. Allows for passing when safe. D. Separates lanes of traffic moving in opposite directions. Answer C. Allows for passing when safe. Question 25. What does a curb painted with alternating black and white stripes indicate? A. Limited time parking. B. Loading zone for commercial vehicles only. C. Parking for electric vehicles. D. No parking due to visibility issues. Answer D. No parking due to visibility issues. Question 26. If you encounter a curb painted purple, it typically means A. Permit parking only. B. Reserved for government vehicles. C. Time-limited parking. D. Parking for electric vehicles charging. Answer D. Parking for electric vehicles charging. Question 27. A curb painted orange indicates A. Temporary parking restrictions due to construction. B. General no parking zone. C. Commercial loading zone. D. Reserved for emergency vehicles. Answer A. Temporary parking restrictions due to construction.